Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you found this video, I am glad your energy found this space. In today's reading, we are stepping into this person's perspective to understand what they genuinely think about you and this connection. Explore their thoughts, their feelings they haven't expressed, what's holding them back, what they hope for, what they're likely to do next, and where this connection is currently headed. Take a deep breath, think of your person, choose the pile you're most drawn to. Timestamps are given in the description for you to choose your pile from. Let's begin. Hi guys, if you chose pile 1, then this is going to be your reading. Straight into your reading, I have my cards here with me. I will shuffle live as I record. As I shuffle, I want you to think of your person. Now, this connection has to be in either y'all are maybe moving towards dating, maybe you are in a situationship and thinking of making it something more. This should be your situation, and I will dive into your person's energy. I have a proper spread planned for this, and think of your person as a shuffle. This is not for separation or something like this. Please just scroll this video. I will make another video for this topic. Y'all are maybe testing waters, or both of y'all feel something that should be the situation of this bond. Then only this reason, then only this reading will make sense to you. Think of your person. Pile 1, diving into your person's energy. Pile 1's person. Allow me to dive into your energy. First, I will check. Let me first check what stage is this connection currently in from their perspective. Like, how do they define this connection? Is it casual, exploring? Let's see. What stage is this connection from their perspective? Something they have started. They've For them, this is like something they have started. It is a beginning, something. I want to say something. Now this person might have this thing that I see this long term, but this is just the beginning. I feel they came in this connection after a long period of time. I sense this very strongly. So this is a beginning, like exploring, and not in a negative way. In their head, they think that this can go long term, but this is just the beginning. Let's see where this goes. Second, I was spread this question second. What is their biggest thought about this connection right now? What is their biggest thought about this connection right now? I might not show cards. Right now, they're not being very much emotionally attached. Not very much emotionally attached. And this connects very well with the first card. This is the beginning. They see the potential of long term, but they're not very much emotionally attached. And because you are like viewing this, tell me, are they not very much emotionally attached, like very cut to cut? Have you experienced this, that I still have not seen this person's emotional side? Very practical minded they are. Tell me. This will confirm a lot of things. They're like, let's see. This I see going this somewhere. Let's see. Let's not get emotionally attached. They're not very much emotionally attached. You tell me, is this happening with you? Have you experienced this, that this person even in the initial stage, or you all have just started, or for like 2 3 months or 6 months from past, 6 months max, I see 6 to 8 months, have you felt this person has still not shown their emotional side? Their biggest thought about this connection right now is they don't want to invest emotionally fully. Testing, if I say testing water, it will sound very bad. Testing waters in a mature way. Let's see where this goes first. This I sense very strongly. What do they genuinely feel for you? Next, I'll see what do they genuinely feel for you that they haven't shown. Like, this will say a lot of things. This you might not know. What they genuinely feel about you that they haven't shown, like their hidden emotion for you. What I'm sensing here is, for you, they do have feelings, but for you, the hidden emotion is like, they have come into a connection after a long period of time. So it has given rebirth to this feeling of love all over again. Imagine a 16-year-old, but that 16-year-old is right now at this age. All the feelings are coming back. It's not like, oh, last person's feeling is coming back, but the deep emotion, love, which, like, they were very lovey-dovey, or they were emotional little bit in the past, but they had buried that, part of them, the lovable side of them, they had buried in the past. All those things are slowly trying to come out, and they're hiding it. um it was like, what is their biggest thought about this connection? No wonders why we have Queen of Swords. If I look at Queen of Swords history, she became who she is after a lot of things she went through. So this person might have had a difficult history, due to which they buried that, lovable side of them. But when they are with you, they are having these, emotions coming out, but they're holding it, which means what they genuinely feel for you, they feel love, they feel this lovable side coming out for you, which they're hiding. And I'll see what is stopping them from expressing or acting on these feelings. What is stopping them from expressing or acting on these feelings? They're scared because of the past. They're scared because of the past. Whatever happened with them in the past, they're scared. It's not you, it's their past. Difficult past your partner has had. And they're scared because of that, not because of you. They're scared to get heartbroken again. This must have been their feeling in the past. I saw this reel somewhere, and I feel this connects here really well, that, last time I loved somebody, I had to teach myself how to eat again, how to live again. This situation, this person of yours would have felt. So they're scared because of that. What do they think about your feeling towards them? What do they think about your feeling towards them? उनको क्या लगता है, like, ये मेरे बारे में कैसा सोचती है? They think that you are feeling like this person, your person, they think that they are not communicating. They know that um they don't talk a lot. They, despite y'all being in this initial stage, you feel alone. You don't know where is this going, and they think you don't see this going a long way because of, no communication. There's no mindset matching here right now. There is, like, there's no common ground between y'all right now. उनको ऐसा लगता है that you think this, they think this. Next I would say, what do I see? What do they want from you that they have not expressed? What do they want from you that they have not expressed yet? This person wants a bond, obviously, but they want slowness. They're not the one. Now, see, this person of yours, they are not like a very lovey-dovey in the sense, showing everybody, oh, I am with this person. It's not that he or she will not say it, but they're not that type of a person. And right now they want time to let things unfold. Like they want time for y'all together, but they don't want this pressure. They don't want this pressure of moving things fast. And deep down, they want this emotional bond. They want it. They crave for it. Trust me and my cards on this. They want that emotional craving from a partner, but they're scared. They're scared because of the past. They want this. Show little bit of patience if you can, I would say. And if you are watching this, so you know what pattern is going here. Try to connect more emotionally. Get into activities which will help you connect more emotionally. Show that person that they can trust you, and the pattern which happened in the past will not be repeated. Try to give that person this one assurance that the history would not be repeated from the past, and connect more emotionally. That will help a lot. Then I would say, what are they planning to do next regarding this connection? Like, what are they planning to do next? Are they planning to invest more, communicate more, or the opposite? What pile one's person is planning to do next regarding this connection? I will say what I got. They will slow down first. Second, in small things, they will feel hurt emotionally. And हो सकता है they will feel less interested despite having maybe the good person with them. And it's not you, it's their defense mechanism. Every time they feel, they're trying to be very logical, in their life, and they notice that, now this is not working, their emotions are coming on the surface, they act like this as their defense mechanism. I've got this card, they'll act like this. Let's see further. Where is this connection headed over the next 3 months, I would say? Because I got this card, I would want to see where is this connection headed in the next 3 months. Y'all will have no proper terminology right now. Either it's talking face, seeing each other face, or any term. Y'all will still be in this thing that, we don't know where do we stand, or what is the term we give to this connection. That's all I would say. I would not express this further. Like, y'all will still be like, let's see, one of y'all or both of y'all would say, okay, let's see where is this going. Or right now, the way it is going, it will be something similar for the next 3 months. And by this, I mean, like, there's no proper term given, relationship or something else. Y'all will still be like, okay, let's see where is this going. Y'all will have no proper, I want to see this. Both of y'all are, let me just say from their side, because it is their perspective, this video is about their perspective. They would still not be sure not in a like wrong thing, but they would still not be sure. They would be like, okay, let's see, I don't know. In their head they would have no clarity. What is one thing they wish they could tell you today? I would want to see this. One thing they wish they could tell you today. They're tired right now. They're tired. They're handling a lot and they're tired. Some ending, and see, this is a traditional meaning for this card. I would still say it. Something has ended in the past, not recent, in the past, and let me see which. Let me clarify this Ten of Swords. In which area of life? So I give you clarity. They cannot take things which takes momentum very quickly. They find it very difficult. And in the past, something like this happened, and they were heartbroken. So one thing they're saying, they're tired for now. They're not able to take things very fast if you expect that. They're like physically they're very tired and mentally they're exhausted. This is something they wish to tell you if they could on their own. What energy should you carry while navigating this connection? And this is for you also, because everywhere it's them. So what mistake did you do? No, mistake in the sense, not your fault. If something like this happened with the past person, we can have sympathy for them. But let's see how what energy you should carry while navigating this, connection. If you feel you want to invest in this, great. But don't try to always prove yourself that no, this is worth um, you know doing, this is worth taking forward. Yes, fight for it. Try to invest your time, energy in it, but it should be both the ways, not just one way. What I'm trying to say here is, if only you will work for this bond, you will be exhausted. Invest in this. If the person reciprocates, if the person understands, and again acts just the way he does, the on and off energy may keep on happening, and it will leave you with the on and off energy may keep on repeating, and it will leave you exhausted. It is up to you. Okay, this was your reading. There were many questions in this where you could understand whether your person is like this or no, and if anything resonated, please comment so I understand the content I'm bringing. People are able to resonate. And last, just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will motivate me a lot. I will see you next time with a new reading. Bye. Hi guys, if you chose pile 2, then this is your reading. Straight up, I'm getting into the reading. I have my cards here with me. I will shuffle as I record, like I will be shuffling live. What I want you to do is think of your person as I shuffle so that you can connect. Now, one basic rule for this, you have to be in either talking stage or seeing each other stage, then only this reading is for you. If you are in separation or no contact, then this reading is not for you. I'm sorry, I'll make another reading for you. Just scroll up. This reading will connect to those who are in dating, not proper term they've given for a relationship, but you want to know, okay, what are their thoughts, where this connection goes. Think of your person's name in your mind as I shuffle, and I have a spread. I have prepared a spread for this. One by one, I'll take you through the question and try to give you clarity with my cards here. First question: what stage is this connection currently in from your person's perspective, like what does a person think, what stage they are in according to them. File two's person, what stage according to their person they are in. Hmm, I see very difficult energy. They are okay. I'll not show the card. Let me see. What is the biggest thought about this connection right now? Find whose person, biggest thought about this person right now. Hi, now see, this is the second card, which is the confirmation. Though this is the stage where y'all were testing waters, but emotionally they are checking out. Emotionally, they are walking away. That is the stage. So emotionally, they've maybe checked out already, or they are in the process of checking out. Um, Not a good energy, I sense. Stay with me. After listening, do not live. Stay with me. I have a proper spread. Let's see what. Then the question was, what is the biggest thought about this connection? Um, they are the one. They were the one who were carrying the entire burden of this connection on them. Maybe they were investing a lot emotionally, they were planning everything, they were talking a lot, so there was a lot of pressure on them. So right now, the biggest thought about this connection is right now they have to carry a lot of responsibility, even of this talking stage. They're like tired, like they sense this is all one side, like from them, like from their side, they are investing a lot in this bond. What do they genuinely feel for you that they haven't shown? What do they genuinely feel for you that they haven't shown? Five, two. Okay. See, they have not shown a lot to you. They have not shown a lot of emotions. They're keeping a lot to themselves. I will clarify what is stopping them from expressing. What is stopping them from expressing or acting on these feelings they have for file 2? Because right now is also possible, along with, you know, working on your bond, they're also um, working towards their career, and both they are balancing, and neither they can drop. um, One thing also I'm sensing, one thing this they feel that they have not shown you is, they could not give a lot of feelings of theirs to you, because they have to divide their time, energy, and efforts equally into their work also. So they could not give, let's say, 100% of them to you. I'm sensing this strongly. Next, what do they think about your feeling towards them? Like, उनको क्या लगता है? What do you feel for them? That sort of a thing. What I would say, what do they think about your feelings towards them? You are also, this bond is not. I'm sensing in the last, I would say, 10 weeks to, let's say, 3 months to 4 months. Meet your talking stage, seeing each other's stage. Things have not been very great. This word I'm using, not very great. They think you are also like very, you're also being like, how do I put this? You're also not putting a lot of efforts. We have also, now, what do they think about your feelings towards them is, they think you have also slowed down. You have also accepted that, okay, this has slowed down, so maybe you are also not putting that much effort. And I'm not saying effort, sorry, I don't want to sound like, oh, you're not putting effort. You've also slowed down somewhere. They think you have also accepted that yes, this is, just हाथ से छूट रहा है little bit. That sort of a thing he also feels. I'm sensing this. Then what is this? What do they want from you that they have not expressed? I will not take this. No, many fell, many cards flew. What do they? What do they want from you that they have not expressed? Let me see this. You get an understanding. What do they want from you that they have not expressed? See, they want a connection from you. They want now. See, you are in this stage, this energy according to them. Show emotion, don't withdraw. They want this. Offer your cup of love to them, offer your emotions to them. I would say show them feelings in both the love languages, like yours and theirs. They want that offer from you. If you're a woman, still this applies to you. If you're a man, like show your best emotions, plan outings, indoors, outdoors, whatever. They genuinely want an offer from you. They genuinely need it. They want it. Maybe life circumstances right now for them are such that too much is happening for them. They want this. Then I would say, what are they planning to do? I've written this in my sticky notes. What are they planning to do next regarding this connection? What is your partner pile 2 planning to do next regarding this connection? They want to offer, and when I say offer love, obviously, but they, if let's say you're dating, you go to a next stage, they want to give an equal exchange. They want to put equal efforts. They want to do this. They're planning to invest equally, be there for you, the way you will show up for them. And I said, show more love, show more emotions. They plan to do this. And it's not like, oh, only if you do it, then only they do it. You got to know what to do. You also got to know what they're planning to do next. This is the best combination you can see. Pile 2. Though right now the stage of life and emotional state is a bit difficult, but I see things stabilizing if both of you all put in the work. Where is this connection heading over the next 2 months? Where is this connection heading over the next 2 months? Equal exchange. What did I say with Two of Cups? Both of y'all would be giving each other equally. And see, this is a traditional meaning, how my intuition says. You all will want to have balance. If right now you are in such a energy or stage of life where you are withdrawn, you would want to invest with this person in all sorts of way. Same goes with that person. If this person is having other responsibilities, he would want to keep equal balance. And this goes like, I have something, let me give it to this person. If they have emotions, they'll want to give it to you. Good 2 months, I see. What is one thing they wish they could tell you? What is one thing they wish they could tell you right now? Right now they feel little bit not interested. Emotionally they got hurt. Small emotional things hurted them. Right now, even if you're the right person for them right now, little bit dissatisfaction they're feeling. What energy should Arey yaar. What energy should you carry while navigating this connection? This is for you who's watching. What energy should you carry while navigating this connection? See, one thing I will say, before anything, Is this happening in your life that you are not satisfied, be it work, be it life, in any which ways? If that is the thing, fill your cup first. If your cup is full, you will magically radiate that energy with your partner in your life. But if you're not happy, no matter how good person you get or best of best things you get, you will not reciprocate that energy. I will end it here with this for you to think what I just said. And this was your reading, pile 2. There were many places where I said things which might have been happening with you or your person. And if that is the case, please comment so I understand that the content I'm bringing in, people are resonating. I will request to like, comment, and subscribe. It will motivate me a lot to bring in more such videos. I will see you next time with a new reading. Bye. Hi guys, if you chose pile 3, then this is your reading. Straight away, we are getting into this reading. I will shuffle live as I record this. One thing I want you to do is think of your person as I shuffle. And one thumb rule, this reading will resonate only to those who are in talking stage, seeing each other stage, or maybe you all are thinking that maybe you get into dating. Yeah, no reconciliation, not for those people who are in no contact. No, this reading will not be for you. I'll make some other reading for you. Scroll up if you have such situation. For those who are in the situations which I just explained, this reading is for you. Think of your person's name so you connect to the energy. I have made a spread and I have a couple of questions which I think will give you enough clarity. It should give you enough clarity. Let's begin. First card, first question. Think of your person's name as I shuffle. What stage is this connection currently in from their perspective? Let's just see what do they think. What is the stage of this, connection? What stage is this connection in from their perspective? Like, how do they define this connection? Okay. One thing I am sensing very strongly, there is a strong attraction between you two. And because this is their perspective, your partner feels strong physical attraction for you. And this is something strong. Comment down if it started with, strong physical attraction from his side for you, irrespective of gender. And one thing, there is a spark in this connection according to them. This can go long term, but this is the beginning. They see long term, but that long term ka first phase, this is according to them. I'm sensing one more thing. Physically, they're very attracted to you. It is the case. And they think this is something solid, but this is the beginning because it is talking phase, or I don't know, there are many terms these days, but something beginning, like something which has just started very strongly, and there's a lot of spark here. Both of y'all would have felt for each other this spark. Like, this is not the type of person which I usually date. A lot of fiery energy I'm sensing. What is the biggest thought about this connection right now? Like, what is their biggest thought about this connection right now? They think like there is lack of communication in this, and there is no common ground right now amongst y'all. Like, I remember I saying this, like, this is a very different person y'all have dated, like for them and for you, or either for one of you, and there is no common ground right now, no common goals, no common things. And communication right now is the thought. They're like, there's not a lot of communication happening, or some communication issues Is there distance in relation, like physical distance? Could be for very few of y'all. And because of less communication, despite having a spark in this bond, y'all might feel like, I don't know where will this go or where is this going. And there comes a helplessness because of this communication thing. Um, Ego is something I'm also sensing. Sometimes the ego might come in the connection, and I'm saying this from the connection point of view. Like, what is the biggest thought about this connection right now? Like, communication could be a big theme here in terms of problem from their perspective. What do they genuinely feel for you that they haven't shown? What do they genuinely feel for you that they haven't shown? You'll get to see something. What do they genuinely feel about you that they haven't shown? No, they genuinely feel they can marry you. They genuinely feel you're a marriage material. Genuinely. They genuinely see you as wife or a husband material. And I remember saying this at the beginning, like they see this going a long term. They genuinely feel that I have found the one with whom I can settle down. This is the feeling. And they haven't told you this, okay? Like, let's see what is stopping them from expressing this, this feeling they have. They have not told you yet. Uh, let's see what is stopping them from expressing this. What is stopping them from expressing this Four of Wands? Um, I am seeing right now either they are in the starting of settling down financially, or finances could be the reason. Finances could be one of the reason which is stopping them from expressing you some financial difference, or something they've started, or they are not settled yet to put up this expression that, oh, I wish to settle down with you. This could be one of the reason. What do they think about, your feeling towards them? Like, what do they think that you think? Samja, what did I say? Let's just pull. I'll explain as I get the card. What do they think about your feelings towards them? उनको क्या लगता है? आप क्या सोचते हो? What do they think about your feelings towards them? They also feel that emotionally you are also open, but you're like, yes, I've allowed this person to come in, and this is the beginning. You also let this person in, but he, see, we have two aces in this card. This is their card, this is your card. They have more of this physical attraction towards you. You are more towards emotional. They will also have this emotions and everything, because we have this Four of Wands, but you're more towards emotional opening, that yes, allowing someone to come in, opening your heart to let someone in, genuinely feeling that yes, this connection can go towards somewhere emotionally. Feminine energy, that person more fiery. Understand what I'm saying? Okay. And then I would say, what do they want from you that they have not expressed yet? They haven't told you. What do they want from you that they haven't expressed or haven't told you? And this is very well the reason why they haven't told you this Four of Wands feeling. And I said this Ace of Pentacles could be the reason. Financially they've started, or maybe they're not very much settled. So right now, what do they want from you is give little bit time to this, connection. Allow things to unfold. Give time. Let things unfold. And what I'm sensing is this person does not want to rush suddenly into something very, like, very big commitment. Energy of commitment I see, but maybe they're not very much financially there yet to raise this question or even to give term of marriage to something. um, they want things to have its normal pace and not too much of fast things. And next we can say, what do we see next? What are they planning to do next regarding this connection? We can see that. What are they planning to do next regarding this connection? Slowly, slowly and steadily build this relationship. Now see, this card in traditional context is not someone who will show a lot of emotions like this. This person is a very mediocre person, like going to work. And when I say this person, I'm explaining this card for you so I can explain, this person is planning to, if let's say next 3 months from now, you might feel, oh, things are mediocre, things are not going like very much lovey dovey. And as I said, this person, oh my god, everything connects. As I said, this person wants time to unfold things and let it unfold naturally. Let's see where it goes. This card coming here is like a confirmation. See, power of tarot. This person will invest consistently, but you might feel that no, not like others he's doing. Others are showing so much affection and all that. This person will build gradually. He'll be there whenever you want. He'll do whatever you want. But don't expect a lot of hype and all this. This is what he's expecting to do. Build gradually, put in daily effort. You might not get big actions from him, big surprises, but this is the best thing, that consistency he will show. He will build, but consistently. Might sound boring, but in today's day and age, you only tell me, what would you choose? Hi-fi actions, but inconsistency, or someone who's consistent, and that person will be there. You decide. Next, let's see, where is this connection heading over the next 3 months? Where is this connection heading over the next 3 months? As I said, this card in the next 3 months, because this person is planning to show consistency, build slowly, you might feel that no, I am not liking this. You will feel bored. This connection might, both of y'all, I'm saying because this is about the term connection, both of y'all might feel bored. That no, this is not like giving butterflies in stomach. Usually people get very scared that, and I've pulled for like next 3 months, things would be consistent but might felt boring. One of you or both of y'all might feel that oh no, he's not showing a lot of affection, or nothing grand is happening, because this person is building slowly, and there's a possibility that this person gets busy in building his work which he's building, which he has started, or something he's already doing. Focus might shift there a little bit, and that brings a boredom. Now mind you, this boredom is not the definition of your bond. If both of y'all wish to get rid of this boredom, y'all can. It is not a situation which is like set in stone. If you get to know, like if as you got to know, do something about it. But I will not exaggerate. I see this in the next 3 months. It's not like, oh, there is some third person essa. There's nothing, or this does not work. Just boredom hits it. And what is one thing they wish they could tell you today? Sort of a confession. What is one thing they wish they could tell you today? Um, they wish to, put a lot of energy in this bond. They wish to make this connection work, but both of y'all need to put in the effort. And this thing is, this person will put every energy they have to make this bond go towards this, where they, yeah, make this go to this four of wands. They will put a lot of effort. They're ready to put in the effort, is their confession. And one card I will pull for you. What energy should you carry while navigating this connection? So you also have an understanding, right? I will not leave you just like that. Oh, as I saw, this is this person. End of the reading. What energy should you carry while navigating this connection? See, stand your ground. Don't settle for something you are not ready to. If you feel, be your boss lady. Now, see, I see this energy for you. You are you. Like, you're very clear with what you want. You're very clear with what you don't want. Be like that. If I say, I don't want to say this word here, I'm not getting this term. Don't settle for less. No. Don't accept something which you would not accept otherwise. If you don't want, no. If you want, stand for it. And be like this boss energy. I think you are this boss energy because of that this person, have this, spark for you, has this, physical attraction for you. So you're a very what character do I give you? Work is important for you. You will never leave that. And when I say leave that, no, not in the sense leave the work, but work is important for you. You have your own sense of identity. You have your own thought process. Be Just continue being that way. That will answer you a lot of things after some time. Right now you may not understand that. Be who you are right now, and it will help you navigate a lot of things. And that was your reading, my dear pile 3. There were many instances where I pulled certain cards for certain things, and I think there were things where you resonated because it is happening currently. And if so, please comment so I understand that yes, you all resonate, and it will motivate me to bring more such video. One request: if you really resonated, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will motivate me a lot. I will see you next time with a new reading. Bye.